morning to all. Myself Arohi Pimpalshende from class 4 along with my classmates. Going to tell you something about today's festival of Belpola. Belpola is a special festival celebrated in Maharashtra. It is a day to honor the bullocks who are like a family to farmers. Bullocks help farmers plow field, carry crops and work hard all year. On Belpola, farmers wake up early and bath their bullocks with care. They decorate them with colorful paints, garlands and shiny bells. Special food is prepared for the bullocks like puran poli and jaggery. Farmers pray for the bullocks' health and strength for upcoming harvest. Children enjoy playing with wooden bullocks on Tanapola Day. Belpola reminds us to appreciate the animal who help us to grow the food. It is a joyful festival that celebrates the bond between the farmers and their bullocks.
हलवू महाराष्ट्राला पायात आग हाय काळीज वाघ हाय फक्त आपलीच चर्चा नुसता बैलगाडा नाही आपला आपला हाय हो रणगाडा समदीकडे हाय आपल्या नावाचा गाजवाजा बैलगाडा नाही आपला आपला हाय हो रणगाडा समदीकडे हाय आपल्या नावाचा गाजवाजा शर्यतीचा चाळ ह्यो माझ्या धमन्या मंदी गुंडला जोशात